In this course, you're going to learn how to program. Whether you're dreaming of building your own games, apps, websites, or just want to understand what's happening behind the screens, you're in the right place. This course will take you from knowing nothing about programming to be able to make full games about anything you can imagine. You'll also understand all the basic programming concepts that will be perfect stepping stone to any kind of programming you want to move on to next. Are you ready to get started? First, the setup. To get ready to write your first line of code, we first need something to write it on. This could be a computer, tablet, phone, even a TV, as long as you have a keyboard. Once you've made your selection, now we need a software to write the code in. In this course, we're going to write code using a computer program called TIC80. TIC80 is completely free. That is just what it says, a tiny computer that runs inside of your big computer. To get TIC80 up and running, head over to TIC80's website at tic80.com/create. There you can install TIC80 on a bunch of different devices or even just write code directly in the browser. Once you boot it up, you should hear this sound. Now you're ready to code. Now there's many programming languages that you could learn, but for this course, you will learn how to code in the Lua programming language. Lua is the simplest language I know of, and it's extremely easy to understand. And if you stick to this course, you'll become completely fluent in it. Before we get to writing some code though, it's good to know how to navigate in TIC80. When you first open it up, you should see this screen. This screen is called the terminal. Here's where you can command TIC80 to do things like run code, ask for help, and create and save new files. Now let's move on to the programming screen. To get there, just tap the escape key on your keyboard. Now you'll see the programming screen. This page is where we'll spend most of the time in this course. This screen is basically like your simple text editor. You can scroll up and down, copy and paste, and you'll also notice some buttons at the top of your screen with common commands and settings. Now, if you're looking at this and you see just a jumble of numbers and letters, that's okay. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand all of it and even write your own. To get back to the terminal screen, simply tap Escape once again. At this point, I'm sure you're very anxious to write your first line of code. To do that, watch the next video in this series. And if you're one of the first ones to watch this and that next video isn't out yet, I'm really sorry. Please subscribe if you want to see it.